Today I'm with my partner in Germany, from Munich, with our official distributor in Germany, presenting new lenses that we are introducing in the market. The 37-102 is a brand new zoom lens. This is, in a way, the new version of the good old 28-76mm, which is a classic Optimo zoom lens that was released like 15 years ago. And with sensors getting larger, full frame, and we had to renew our lens of zoom lenses. We started with the big ones, the 24-20. So a few years ago, we introduced the Ultra 12, which is a beast. And now we will start with the compact zoom. So that's the first one, the 37-102, which is, we keep it lightweight, it's 2.5 kilos. And later this year, we will introduce a wide angle, which will be a 21-56, 2.9. And both lenses will complement the range of Optimo zoom lenses. Angénieux is really popular for zoom lenses, in fact, for decades. We are not for primes, and we were a bit late to come in the market with primes, but it was the right timing with the sensors getting larger, digital cameras, and we had to bring new ideas. So that's why we came with those primes now with the IOP. The IOP stands for Integrated Optical Palette. This is the only way to customize, to profile those prime lenses. When they come as a standard, they are quite neutral and pretty high-end, like any high-end prime lens. But in the last few years, there were more and more demand for detuning, profiling lenses, changing the look, both from cinematographers and rental houses. So we came with this concept, which is brand new, and this is what we have today. Basically, we will profile on three different ways. You can filter in the back of the lens, but we went deeper. The idea was to play on things that you cannot easily do in post-productions. So we are talking about bokeh, about contrast, flare, resolution, and so you can change the iris, you can change the rear filter, and you can change an internal filter at a focal position. One of the key advantages is that you will remain constant on the whole range of prime lenses. Today we will propose several looks that we clearly identify without destroying the picture, but you will play on some elements like the iris with the free blaze iris if you want a different bokeh, like for commercials, for instance. It works pretty well. We will have an oval iris that we are working on if you want to mimic the anamorphic look. And also, it's a way to match with spherical. And then the filters inside, we have the net, we have uncoated, which works pretty well. We have a low contrast and several new things which are coming. Knowing that the idea is to really profile the look. It takes like 10-15 minutes by a lens tech in a rental house to change, to profile the prime. The integrated optical palette is really for rental houses. I mean, that's the way we see it. You need a lens tech, a clean environment, and that's the little plus if you want to differentiate from other prime lenses and create and be creative, bring something new.